In just a couple minutes, I'm going to show you how to connect any Windows laptop to your Link ECU, record data logs, and save it. Turn the key on, not just to your radio, but to your actual car. Plug the USB that's going to your Link ECU into Windows laptop and run the G5 PC Link, which you can download for free from linkecu.com. Then click where it says offline, click on that. All right, Link ECU, click OK. ECU connected. And you'll see some information about your car. Now, to record, you click where it says red PC log off, click on that. And now you're logging. You could log 10 seconds, you could log 5 seconds, you could log a whole drive across town, you could log laps around a racetrack. It's recording everything as it goes from all of your sensors. And when you're done, go to logging and save log. You can stop recording and you can save log file as. And this is just like saving a file like anywhere else in Windows. And now you can save that. If you're at the track, you can save that to review later. You can send it to your tuner. You can, of course, open the log file later to review it. So we'll open it. And all of our data that we had logged, which of course is none right now, would be available for us later. And that's how you connect, record, save, and open logs on PC Link for Link ECU.